Hey lawn fans, are you ready? So this is just a quick intro to a quick video I did today about attaching my groove roller to the front of my Mclane. I bought the groove roller from Real Rollers here in Georgia. It was a quick and easy process. I hadn't planned on doing a video on it, but one of my lawn buddies said, hey, just do something on it because there's not a whole lot of videos out there about the process. So that's what it is. Quick, easy, under 10 minutes. What does a roller do? A roller helps you with the striping of your yard. Plus, if you have a real roller and it has wheels on the front of it, when you're pushing that, if you hit a dip, it's much more likely to scalp your grass than if you had a solid bar roller on the front of it. So that's why people put a roller on the front. It helps with striping, helps prevent the likelihood of scalping. So stay tuned to the video I've got of me putting that groove roller on the front of my Mclane. And again, I got it from Real Rollers here in Georgia. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a good one. Okay, lawn people, are you ready? Well, today I've got a Mclane. Got a groove roller that I got from Real Rollers here in Georgia. They advertise that it's under 10 minutes to put one of these on. And so, we're going to do that today. I did a little pre-work here, loosening some bolts up, but what you're going to need is an adjustable wrench. You're going to need socket set. This is, let's see here, 18 millimeters. This one is a 1/2 inch. So, first thing we need to do is get the old set of rollers on our old set of wheels on the front off. Like I said, I did a little work on this already. So there is a bar that goes down through the middle of this. Take that off. You're going to keep this. Then you've still got your wheels attached up here. Take that off. Set this off to the side. As you can see, the design is similar. Just like, let's see if I can back that up some. The design is similar right here. So I'm taking these wheels, getting rid of the wheels. They're gone. Now, I'm going to take this bar and go through here. Well, actually, set this in here. It goes in the wheels were in the second pull. So, I'm going to go back with that. I'm going to run this rod through there. Come out this side. Match this up. This was on the top. And now it's just a matter of lining that rod where it can go up through here, which is done. Take this bolt. Actually, do I need to have this lined up? There we go. Okay. There we go. Thread this bolt back on. And this end over here looks like it needs a little more thread to go through. So I'm going to give it more room where I can have more thread on this other side. Okay, so now tighten this down. Tighten this one down. Where'd that? There it is. Wrench on here. Tighten down the socket. And that's it. Under 10 minutes. That is all there is to it. So, I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it in the dump. I've got the new roller on the front, groove roller. And that's pretty much it. Of course, I'm going to have to check, make sure the height's right for it, and do some other adjustments on it. But as far as putting the roller on the front of it, that's it. That's pretty easy. I can't believe how easy that was. So, if I've messed up somehow, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. Y'all send me a note in the comments there, say whatever. But beyond me making some adjustments to it, I don't know what else I've got to do. Thanks. Y'all have a good one.